Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today's race in Winnabow, North Carolina, basically Wilmington, North Carolina, at the Brunswick Nature Park. Today is going to be an example of how to blow up within 2 miles. So here we are, it's the Cat 3. I'm at the start. I'm going to go out hard this time. It's a long straightaway. And you can see the actual winner of the race. I think that's Rick. He's gone. So I'm going to settle in to 4th place. The bike I rode was a Look 986 that I turned into a 650B. So the word on the street was that there were a lot of roots on this trail. And a full suspension would be a lot better. But here we're on a nice flowy. It's flat, level. This is my kind of thing. I could do this all day. So we're cruising along, and I'm holding position in 4th place. The goal would have been to go into this in 2nd and try to put as much distance as I could between myself and the group. Because I knew that the roots were going to slow me down, and on this hardtail and smaller wheelbase, it was going to come back and give me some problems. Nothing much to report here. We are still going at a good pace. You see it's like 14 to 15 miles an hour. I'm just going to try to hold this as long as I can. Before I got on the trail, I think I lowered it down to about 13 psi. I probably should have gone even lower, but that's okay. I basically blew up. I mean, look, my heart rate's up to at 175, and I don't think I could hold this for 2 laps. But we're working on it. We're getting back into training. Crit season is coming up. Here, I knew I was slowing down. I decided to let this guy go by. He was right on me. correctly, now I'm in 6th place, and I think there's only 10 of us. Yeah, there was 10 of us. I think Rick D is right behind us. Again, one time I tried to pull over to let him go by, and he's like, no, keep going. So, yeah, it was kind of funny. I'm like, mentally, I was like, you're going to pass me anyways. No need for me to slow you guys up. I actually rubbed his tire right there and apologized to him. He was like, no problem. Yeah, he's telling me to come in on the outside of him, so I slipped through, and now I'm really trying to put in an effort to catch up to the chase group that's trying to chase down Rick, who is long gone. He's probably sitting in his lawn chair now. Gonna try to close the gap and get up on this guy, but just riding this 27.5, it's probably mental. I'm sure it is mental, but I feel like on my 29er I'm just a lot faster. So I feel like I'm burning a lot of watts, and I'm not really catching them. And I know at some point, I think he looked back and he put in a little bit of an effort, and I just had nothing else. Maybe I didn't fuel as good as I thought I did. See, he's pulling away. Starting to skip ahead. This is all within the first lap. My camera cut off about a third of the way into the second lap. Still trying to work on the settings on it so that it will last at least 2 hours. I may have cut it out, but a few times it was bouncing so much that the cage on the GoPro was like pointing at my front wheel, and I had to reach up and pull the camera back up. So the best thing to do in this situation was I would try to find lines when it came to a rooty section that were kind of smooth, which was more off the trail. So I was taking certain lines at a certain angle to keep the bumpiness down. First lap took me about 40 minutes and 39 seconds. And the second lap was about 43 minutes. In the overall standings, I am 5th. So really nothing major to report. Race number 4 is in about a week, and this weekend coming up where we're off, gonna try to work on my bike, my other bike, full suspension, and see if I can have it ready for the last 2 races, and that will finish the series. I think our next race will be in Blue Clay Park. That's basically Wilmington. And then we will finish off in Browns Creek, where you definitely should probably ride a full suspension. This is, I call this like the power line section. And as you can see, it's almost 80 degrees. Here we go, coming out of the woods. This is the start finish line, and this will be the end of the first lap, and we'll end it here. was a fun race. I was happy with the start. I just need to work on maintaining my power. Thanks for watching.